Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up? Good to see you. So y'all want to check out the Sprinter van? Let's go take a look.
Let's do it.
What else say?
Um,
This
this is our Sprinter van that we named Baby Bird. Come with us to check it out. Hey y'all, welcome to Baby Bird. Come on in. Let's show you around. So up front is our toilet bench, our cassette toilet. We love that thing. It's come in handy quite a bit. Behind the passenger seat is our S-bar heater. This is our front little bench area. It's very versatile. There's a plug on the side, USB ports everywhere. So lots of configurations for this front little table that we have used in many variations actually. I like to put it in this position for when I work. So I have a little riser and I'll put my laptop there. That's very comfortable. So let's go into our kitchen. You can see our windows there in the background. All of our windows have curtains that we've opened up for y'all. In the front here, we have our small trucker fridge. It's very nice to have on long trips. We've learned quite a bit on how to shop for food. We can do a different video on that. We also have custom counters. So these are custom teak counters. Beautiful. They take a beating. Beautiful black water faucet, soap dispenser, and filtered water. And this little insert pops out. So we can cook, we can get ready for bed there. And by the way, Michael's going to talk about it, but later we have 40 quarts of water. Is that right? 40 quarts?
46 gallons.
46 gallons. Nothing with measurements. That's not my area. Okay. So lots to do in there. It's a beautiful black quartz sink. Don't regret that choice because it's anti-scratch. We love it. So up top on both sides, we chose open shelving because we wanted some flexibility. We put fabric bins up there in different sizes, and we love it. Super easy access, makes it feel open. Right there on the left, you see the power station for our lights and some more plugs. This is cafe mode. We like to sit there and have dinner or play games. Sometimes I work there. Underneath here, we have where we keep some cleaning supplies and our toaster oven. We've done several variations on how to cook in this thing, and we've just landed on our toaster oven when we have access to electricity. So here it is, our full U-shaped kitchen with those cantilever pullouts. I'm using the little electric buttons underneath there. It's a ton of counter space. I would argue maybe the most counter space I've ever seen in a van. Here's our one drawer. We have our utility area, quick access things, and everything we need. Utensils. That's our upright pantry. Dry goods, sodas, spices. Over here is my Keurig and little garbage can. I love this. Pull out. It's the first thing I open in the morning. All right, so let's put these cantilever counters out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and build it into bed mode. We only have 2 removable cushions for our bed. We normally have other bedding and a mattress in here that we use because apparently on my maintenance I need a 6-inch memory foam. But we love it. So that's bed mode. So let me go ahead and jump up here real quick, show some magic, and there I am in the bed in the little fairyland, Cinderella tap tap, love my bed. Okay, and so let's move on down to the front of the van. I'm putting it now back into cafe mode. Here we go. cafe mode, our second dinner option or workstation option. We actually have two to three different workspaces spaces Michael and I use. So to eat or work, very comfortable seating arrangement. Underneath my feet there, you can see three giant drawers. And the floor drawer is where we keep all our shoes. Underneath each chair, that's my closet. So all my stuff goes in those two drawers. And that's our laundry chute. Little broken hinge there, no problem. Michael will fix it pretty quick. Okay, let's go to the front now, and you're going to check out our command station. This does everything for us. It's the solar, it's the floor heater, S-bar heater, freshwater, gray water. We have our awning switch in there. It is awesome. Everything in one place. We love him. Michael manages this. I hardly ever look at it, unless I got to open the awning or something. And then to the right there, above the passenger and driver seat, is our overhead storage. We stuff that to the gills. And here's Michael turning our front long living room bench into bed mode. So we have three legs that we just screw in. We have it fast forwarded to save you guys the pain of watching that. But the top part is Velcroed from the back part of the bench, and now it's in bed mode. Super easy, quick, take everything apart. We kind of keep those in a drawer or behind the window there when we're not using it. So now it's in bench mode again. So here's Michael's two drawers. He uses these giant drawers in the front, which I borrow some of that space sometimes. Thank goodness he's a minimalist packer. And this last drawer is our pet drawer. Easy access to pet food, treats, bowls, toys. And then here we both are in the end here in our little typical dining mode that we both like to be in. And
welcome to the garage. Yeah, and me and Darren wanted the garage a little bigger, so we intentionally put the bed up a tiny bit higher. And for the purpose of our longer trips, we'd have plenty of space to store extra things in case we needed them. We have a pull drawer here, comes all the way out here, holds about 500 pounds, so you're not ever going to overload this thing, or I can't imagine overloading this thing. We built a deck, and it's possibility, depending on the trip, we could build another deck if we needed to organize it in a certain way. We have a water heater over here on this side, 46-gallon water tank right here. Got some lights, electric plugs right here, phone chargers right there. And there's just one of those simple push-in valves. They're usually simple. Okay. And for showers, what we do is just get a regular yard sprayer deal and take showers with that. But it's nice to have hot water if you've gone 3 days without a shower. So we got hot and cold here. And we got our digital hub here, our technology center. We got 2 big lithium batteries. We got our inverters in there, and we got all our solar panel controls in there. We got our fuses right here. In case we need to replace any fuses, they're the light up fuses. They just turn on if something goes wrong. You can place them real easy, as well as the circuit breakers. So all that's really easy. Anyhow, we do have more storage space up top, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit, okay? But I love my garage.